Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today we're gonna do a semi unboxing, and this is gonna be a unboxing of the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. Okay, and I'm going to do a quick review for you today. But before I get started, I ask you to give this video and my other videos a thumbs up. I ask you to subscribe if you like to, and without a doubt, I ask you to share this. Now, I also want to give thanks to my homie Robin. He bought me a he bought me this as a birthday present, and he also bought me a Christmas present, which I will show y'all later. And on top of that, he bought me some RAM for my computer because one of my RAM sticks fried out. So thank you, Robin, for all that. Okay. He bought me a birthday present and a Christmas present and all that. So thank you. I love to give credit where credit is due. All right, now on to the review and semi unboxing. All right. So as I stated, this is the Amazon Fire 7. I have my notes, I have my coffee, and I'll give you a second to get yours, your coffee, your snacks, and let's do this. Also, I'm gonna do a shout out to my homegirl Stephanie. What's up? Now, here's the box. Amazon. Y'all know I like me some Amazon, right? And just if you didn't know, Amazon, you can get Amazon Prime, okay, for half price if you have EBT, SNAP, food stamps. That's all you need, and you can get Amazon Prime. I have Amazon Prime, and I'm starting to really enjoy it, okay? And and that also gives you access to Amazon Prime Music and Amazon Prime Movies. You get all that when you get Amazon Prime, and you can get it for half price if you have EBT, food stamps, or SNAP. Now, on with the unboxing, okay? Ooh, like Christmas. Here's a tablet. You see? Yeah. See? It's a nice size. 7 inches is a nice size. Okay? It's not too big. It's not too small. It's perfect size. Okay? Especially if you want to do some reading. If you also, you want to watch movies. You know what I'm saying? If you want to chat, this is a nice size. And it's mobile. You can take it with you. That's an added plus. Especially if you have some ebooks. The library, you can download free ebooks and audiobooks from the library. So, man, and having something like this tablet to read it on, especially if you have to take the train or if you just want to get out and about and go somewhere and read a book and get away from the house, that's it. Now, let's see. Get all these other parts out here real quick for you. Excuse me for that. And, okay, Amazon Fire 7, you get the pamphlet, the quick how-to. Okay. USB card for it. Power bank. Alright. And let's cut this. Oops. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Let's cut this baby out. I'm just dropping stuff all over there. Cut this baby out right here. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Feels good. It's not too heavy, okay? But it feels solid. I like that. Now, if you didn't know, it can come in a lot of different colors. I'm glad he did give me black though. Okay, and as you see that Amazon smile, see that? Okay. And you might not be able to see it, but up here you have a little camera right there. All right, and you have a back camera. Now let me give you some specs on this baby. Okay. One of the things I wanted to stress it when you're dealing with the Amazon Fire 7 or even and they have other sizes too. They have I believe 8 and 10. Uh, when you're dealing with that, you're dealing with their own with Amazon's ecosystem. And what I mean by that is you're dealing with Amazon. You're not dealing with Google. Okay, so you don't use the Google Play Store or anything like that. And I'm glad he did give me the Amazon because it lets me expand my horizons. Because most people don't realize that you have other things out beyond Google and Apple. You have Amazon, okay, and slowly coming up, bringing up the rear, you have Linux. Linux has their own products now. Okay, their own type of what you call it, watches and uh, tablets as well. Okay, so it's really good to go outside of your environment and spend yourself. Now, but the cool thing about this is that Amazon has its own app store, just like Google has Google Play. Amazon has its own app store, so you can pretty much download and install most of the apps that you probably would be on Google or even on Apple. But just like Google and Apple, you can't uh, install all the apps that you find on Google, okay, on Apple products, and vice versa. And the same goes on with Amazon. So it's a whole different world, and that's cool. So Amazon has an Amazon App Store. Okay, now these devices showcase here. So I'm showing you. This is good. It's great for reading books, as I stated, view media and video, and watch online shows. Okay, that's pretty cool. You see that? Now, what I do like about it also to give is that you can do some light gaming with if it's older games, okay, or some really light games, but it's not really good and powerful enough to be doing these hardcore heavy games, okay, and that's really not really what it's for anyway. But you can do some older games as well as some light games on this. Have fun with that. Now, these particular tablets come in 16 gigabits and 32 gigabits. And this is the 2000, I believe it's a 2022 version. Okay, this is not like the old versions that you see reviews on. This is brand new ones. Okay, this comes in the 16 gigabits, which runs for $49.99. Okay, or the 32 gigabits, which my friend Robin was nice enough to give me, which runs for $69.99. Now, you can get these discounted. Okay, be aware these do go on sale, and you can get these discounted. Okay, and these are way better than any type of tablet that you got with Q-Link wireless or something like that. These are really good tablets that you can actually do something on, and it doesn't just crash on you. Okay, and if you do have Amazon Prime, it's an added plus for this. Okay, because you're accessing all the stuff that they give you with that. Okay. Now, as I said, the 32-bit gig, which is this one, is 69.99. And the cool things about this is that you can add more storage, okay? Because you can add up to 512 gigabytes of storage from those SD cards, which is cool. Because think about it, you could put all the stuff you really like on those SD cards, books that you bought, movies or whatever, and be able to watch it off on, offline, okay, and just enjoy it, and and just and then it also expands um, how much storage you have. And we're talking 512 gigabytes of expandable storage capacity. That's pretty good. This is a 1.3 gigahertz quad core processor in here. That's not bad. Okay, we're not talking laptop, even though I had a laptop that was a long time ago. I had a laptop that was 1.5 gigahertz. Yeah, it was an older one. So for a device that's 7 inches, 1.3 gigahertz is not too bad. Okay. Now, it also has ALEXA for hands free. The reason I'm spelling that out is because if I say it, it's going to activate your device. Okay. And we don't want that, right? But you can do hands free, okay, with that. Uh, Now, with this device, again, you can enjoy Hulu, Facebook, TikTok, Netflix, and all those apps are downloadable at the Amazon App Store. Okay? Again, I stress this because people don't always listen to me. Google Play Store is not supported. Okay? All this is Amazon. This is Amazon's, I believe it, this is also Amazon's software. Okay? It's not Google. Okay? This is Amazon software that it's running on. All right. Now, for a discounted price, sometimes you can get discounted if you allow ads to show. Okay, because I've seen some situations where you can get $10 off if you allow for ads to show on your when you have your screen server up. You know what I'm saying, when you're not using it. So that's not bad. Okay, because that would drop that sucker down to $40 for this. Think about that. And the accessibility that you'll be able to do with this and use it for, and even reading and enjoying offline stuff as well as online, that's pretty good. And that is my semi unboxing of the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. Hope you enjoy it. And I will put a link in the description box below so you can click on it, check it out. If you think you want to get one for yourself, then you can do so. But again, as I stated, this is not Google, this is Amazon. Whole different environment, but most of the apps that you have on Google will work on this. You can download it